Bootcamp 2020 is an initiative that allows the exchange between different but complementary areas of knowledge. Participating in this event is an experience in which we teach, but we also learn to produce content for this new medium, to provide a much wider audience with the possibility of moving from being a passive consumer to an active creator, telling the ideas and stories we want to share.
In the field of animation, today we have at our disposal the necessary tools so that anyone of any age, alone or in a group, with parents or friends, can create content. Our purpose is to encourage the creation of experience and guide the participants who want to produce an animated film.
Production, exhibition and teaching. The Arte Estudio Imaginario is an animation studio in Portugal where we work in three areas: the production of short and commercial films, the exhibition through the organization of Animus festival or cinema sessions, and teaching through workshops in different formats for schools and for the community.
Our biggest challenge is to make our audience and financiers understand how animation cinema is a wide and important form of expression at the present time, as it brings together literature, visual arts, music, theater and dance. It's not limited to a child audience and can address personal issues such as social isolation or as relevant as ecology. The biggest problem is finding financing to produce works with extended development times, which makes the projects more expensive, but on the other hand, allows to create very rich personal and collective experiences.
Being able to make an animated film at home, using current technological means, sharing it on video channels, on social networks, or even at festivals as a way of expressing and meeting peers with whom to collaborate. Improving our work and opening up the field possibilities for choosing and perfection, one of the many areas of animation cinema.